Here's a simple and clear explanation of the Course 1, Constitutional Law, I Objectives, especially useful for a beginner like you who is starting the 3-year LLB journey. Constitutional Law, I, Course Objectives, Simplified. This subject helps you understand the Indian Constitution deeply, not just as a legal document, but as a living document that reflects values, aspirations, and a vision for justice in India. What this course will teach you. 1. The nature of the Constitution. It is a normative document, meaning it guides how things should be in society. Justice, liberty, equality. It is not just about power, but about values and rights. 2. Foundational principles. Constitutional supremacy. The Constitution is the highest law in India. No law or government action can go against it. Rule of law. Everyone, including the government, must follow the law. No one is above it. Liberty. The Constitution protects the freedom of individuals, like speech, religion, movement. 3. Fundamental rights, Part 3 of Constitution. You will study the rights given to every Indian citizen, such as right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. These rights are enforceable in courts. 4. Directive principles of state policy, Part 4. These are non-enforceable guidelines for the government to create a just and fair society. Even though not enforceable like fundamental rights, they are important to understand the goals of the Constitution, like equal pay, education, public health. Task summary. This course gives you the foundation of Indian law. By the end, you will know what the Constitution says, why it matters, how it protects our rights and freedoms, what kind of country our Constitution wants India to become.